Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at the tech sector, XLK, Apple, Facebook, so played out to a degree of how we were anticipating, with Apple seeing a sell-off today, not in relation to the market strength. The market was hitting all-time highs. It was due to the run-up that we saw heading into earnings. Facebook had an initial bullish reaction to earnings, and then we fell back, and we're now seeing a lower open set up for tomorrow. Certainly not a dump, but we priced in bullish earnings. So for the bulls to see buying pressure in reaction to earnings after running so significantly, it's not likely. We have to go with what is the most likely scenario to play out. And after running up for that strong for those days, not likely to see a bullish reaction. So we had the gap up and a pullback here on XLK, the sector overall. We are still very strong in the sector. We're coming off these highs. We have the upper Bollinger Band still as support in breakout mode. So certainly no red flags for the sector as a whole, but I'll be watching tomorrow to see if the momentum does begin to shift a little bit more as we are now through earnings season in all the big names. And if Apple has a bearish reaction to earnings, we will look for daily consolidation on XLK because Apple is such a significant holding. We have 6 big green breakout weeks in a row. The last 5 weeks have closed at the high of the week. If we do not see that and we see an upper wick, it is going to stand out as a change in that trend. Apple with a higher open and a lot of profit taking, a bearish engulfing candlestick. So that's that big pullback. When you see a gap up open, this is a bearish reversal 3 gap up pattern. You have 1, 2, 3 gaps, and you look for a bearish reversal candlestick the 4th day to confirm it. And the fact that we had a higher open on the 4th day only magnified the possibility of that pullback, and it was a pullback very sharp. So looking at 165.61 as support, a bullish reaction to earnings, we're going to be right back to all-time highs, but a bearish reaction, and we're going to be looking down in the low 160s and upper 150s. So the weekly time frame, rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band so far. All depends how earnings go with how we will react to that level by the end of this week. But the bulls have a lot of work to do if they're going to see a bullish reaction to earnings, and they better be good numbers. Facebook on the daily time frame. So we close with anticipation for the bulls, but here after hours, Facebook is currently trading at 179. So we are definitely seeing a bit of a pullback. It is by no means a dump at this point. 179 puts us at the all-time high 3 days ago. So it's all about perspective. We are not dumping. We're just not really seeing much further upside. So the options players that were looking for premium to be eaten away by not a lot of volatility are going to be banking in, and those are option sellers. So not a ton of follow through, not a ton of weakness. So the market's going to stay strong as long as that's the case. We're going to have to see a lot of sell-off in the tech sector in order for the market to see some consolidation. So that's where we stand as we head into tomorrow. Facebook weekly time frame. Again, we'll likely form a bearish reversal candlestick depending on how tomorrow goes. If the bulls buy the dip, then this weekly candlestick could look fine, but it could be a bearish reversal candlestick if we do close under 180 by the end of Friday. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you tomorrow.